Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KSET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching ITJ and advanced math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. This is the fifth session of PYQs of definite integrals, guys. We are doing MCQs of KSET and Comment K from 2004 to 2020. Alright, before I start guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Alright, before I proceed guys, alright, let me tell you about Unacademy Plus subscription and let me and tell you why you need to take this subscription. These are the best plans for KSET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375. That is 1031 per month. With this referral code, you get 10% off. Okay, 6 months it's 10125. That is 1688 per month. With this referral code, you get 10% off, and per month 2250. You get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions. With this at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice paper, full-length mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription, unlimited access. And to take the subscription also, there is a link there and my referral code as well. So you can use that link to take the subscription, guys. Okay, and then this is a Maestros batch for KSET 2021. Alright, by the best educators in the country. Alright, batch started from 15th of December, 15th of this month, guys. Okay, so do enroll do enroll in this batch. Okay, there are other batches as well. Do you have batches for PCM, PCMB, and PCB? Alright, guys, let's start. So this is the fifth session of PYQs of definite integral. Alright, and we have done up to question number 40. Up to here I have done. So we have to start from here. Question number 41. So 2013 question. So integration of -1 to +2. Okay, modulus of x upon x dx. This can be written as integration of -1 to 0 modulus of x divided by x dx, -1 to 0 and then 0 to 1. 0 to 1 and then you get mod x divided by x dx. I'm just writing -1 to 2 as -1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay, so this will be equal to integration of -1 to 0. Between -1 and 0, mod x is -x. So you get -x divided by, this will be equal to -x divided by x dx. Plus integration 0 to 1. And between 0 and 1, mod x is x. So this will be equal to x upon x dx. Right, let's cancel this, guys. Right, let me cancel this. So this becomes integration of -1 to 0. -1 to 0, you get minus dx, and then integration 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 and then dx. Integration of dx is x between the limits -1 to 0. Dx is x between the limit 0 to 1. So it is upper limit 0, lower limit is -1. Minus and minus will be +1. Integration of dx is x between -1 to +2 should be written as -1 to 0 and 0 to 2. Sorry guys, this is 2. Upper limit should be 2 now. Okay, fine. Now this is equal to -1 to 0, 0 to 2. Even this will be 2. This is 2, this is 2. Okay, so upper limit minus lower limit. Again here you get upper minus lower. So you get this is -1 plus 2. That's equal to +1. Alright, answer will be equal to B. Let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 42. Okay, now last property of definite integral. Whenever you have 0 to a f of x dx, This can be written as 2 times 0 to a f of x dx, 2 times a by 2 f of x dx. 0 to a f of x dx can be written as 2 times 0 to a by 2. 2 times 0 to a by 2 and then f of x dx. Okay, I can use this if suppose f of a minus x is equal to f of x. Okay, so I change x to upper limit minus x, obviously I get the same thing. So this can be written as 2 times 0 to pi by 2. 2 times 0 to pi by 2 and then you get this as cos to the power of 4. This is cos to the power of 4 upon cos to the power of 4 plus sin to the power of 4. Okay, sin to the power of 4 dx. This 2 I'll keep as it is. Okay, we know this whenever you have limit 0 to pi by 2, limit is 0 to pi by 2, limit should be 0 to pi by 2, f of x to the power of n, f of x to the power of n divided by f of x to the power of n, okay, and then plus f of pi by 2 minus x whole power n. Pi by 2 minus x whole power n, answer will always be equal to pi by 4. Okay, answer will always be equal to pi by 4. So this limit is 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4 upon cos power 4 plus sin power 4. Answer will be equal to pi by 4. So 2 into pi by 4 will give me pi by 2. Answer will be equal to option B. Isn't it, guys? Right, let's move to the next question. The intercept on x-axis made by the tangents to the curve from here. So we have done, guys, up to here. We have done the questions from 2004 to 2020, 2004 to 2020. All the CET questions I have covered. Alright, this was 13 paper, 14 to 20 papers. First questions, question number 1 to 19 or 20 something was there. So we have done all the CET questions. From here, Comet K questions will begin. Right now. So the intercept on x-axis made by the tangent to the curve y is equal to, okay, y is equal to integration, hi Rajay, 0 to x, okay, and then this is modulus of t into dt. Alright, now so that's equal to, okay, when x is positive, this modulus of t will be equal to, when x is positive, modulus of t will be equal to t. So this becomes 0 to x t into dt. Okay, and when x is negative, modulus of t will be minus t. So this is 0 to x and then you get minus t dt. Now if I integrate this, okay, let me do it here itself and then I substitute. 0 to x t into dt is x square by 2. Integration of t is t square by 2 between the limit 0 to x. Upper limit minus lower limit will give me x square by 2. So this is x square upon 2 when x is positive. This is minus x square upon 2 when x is negative. Right? Now let's call equation 1. Let's call this as equation 1. Now if I differentiate, you will get dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square by 2 is x when x is positive. Okay, and then differentiation of minus x square by 2 is minus x when x is negative. Okay, this is slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent. Is it okay? Now let me write here. This is slope of tangent. Now tangent parallel to the line, right? So slope of the line, when they're parallel, slope of the tangent should be equal to slope of line. Okay, slope of the line. Now slope of line y equal to 2x is 2, right? This is of the form y is equal to mx, so slope of the line is equal to 2. So this is m. Slope of the tangent is also equal to m. Since they are parallel, whenever two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So if I equate them, guys, you will get x is equal to 2 and you get x is equal to minus 2. If I put x is equal to 2, substitute in equation 1, y will be equal to 2. Again, if I substitute in equation 1, y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so what are the points, guys? Points will be equal to 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma minus 2. Right, minus 2 comma minus 2. Yeah, Rajesh Saab, I don't know. Rajay, not exactly, we can't exactly predict, dude. So after it should be announced by the PO board only. When will be the exactly board exam? When will be the CET exam? So can't exactly tell. All right, there are rumors, that they'll postpone and all, but damn, don't know when. It should be taken by the higher authorities only when the exam will be. Alright, so no matter when is the exam, you have to study, right? So why are you worried about that? Exam will be there, so start preparing. Don't take online classes lightly. You understand? You have to prepare, dude, no matter what it is. So go ahead and prepare. You understand? Keep yourself updated, work hard every day, so take care of your assignments. You have to study. Okay, exam will be there. Like how JE exam next month is there, no? Jan month JE will be there, February, March, April JE exam is there. So obviously exams will be there. Alright guys, so let's come back to this. Okay, now slope will be equal to 2. Okay, here also slope will be equal to 2. Now equation of the tangent will be equal to y minus y1 is equal to slope m into x minus x1. Here also, even here equation of tangent will be equal to y minus y1 is equal to slope m into x minus x1. You get y minus 2 is equal to slope m is 2 into x minus 2. Y minus and minus is plus is equal to slope m is 2 into x minus and minus is plus 2. Okay, now the question is the intercept on x-axis made by the tangent. Whenever it is x-intercept, y will be equal to 0. X-intercept, y should be equal to 0. Right, here also, whenever there is an x-intercept, obviously y will be equal to 0. Now if I put y equal to 0 here, you get minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Right, here also if I put y equal to 0, you get 2 is equal to 2 into x plus 2. Right, this will cancel. Minus 1 plus 2 is equal to x. You get x is equal to 1. Okay, and then you get 1 minus 2 is equal to x. You get x is equal to minus 1. So you get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, that's equal to x. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1. If I combine these two, therefore x is equal to plus minus 1. That's the answer, guys. X will be equal to plus minus 1. Last option D. Alright, see, when you can compare the level of questions, obviously Comet K will be little higher than the CET level. Alright, but good questions. Let's move to the next question, guys. I'm supposed to find the value of x. What I'll do is I'm going to put e power y minus 1 equal to t square. Expression under the root as t square. E power y dy, e to the power of the differentiation of e power y is e power y. Okay, and then dy by dt is equal to 2t e to the power of y minus 1 equal to t square. Okay, now if I differentiate e to the power of y dy is equal to 2t into dt. So I need dy, right? So I can write dy is equal to 2t divided by e to the power of y and then dt. From this equation, let's call equation 1, guys. Now from this equation e power y is equal to t square plus 1. E power y is equal to t square plus 1. Okay, so if I substitute here, so you get dy is equal to 2t divided by e to the power of y will be equal to t square plus 1 and then dt. Okay, now when x is equal to, when y is equal to log 2, lower limit 1y is equal to log 2, t square is equal to e to the power of log 2 minus 1. E power log 2 is 2. 2 minus 1, so t is equal to 1. And then if I put y equal to x, you will get t square is equal to e power x minus 1. E power x minus 1, t is equal to root of e power x minus 1. So this becomes integration of, when x is equal to, y is equal to log 2, t is equal to 1, and y is equal to x, you get root of e power x minus 1. dy is equal to 2t divided by, okay, t square plus 1, and then this equal to dy, this is dt, and then this is root of t square is equal to pi upon 6. Isn't it, guys? Now what I'll do is, alright, if this is hiding here, right, let me do it here itself. You can't see. Right, let me do here. When y is equal to x, when y is equal to x, you get t square is equal to e power x minus 1. Okay, t is equal to root of e power x minus 1. E power x minus 1. Okay, now it's fine. Now I take 2 as a constant out. Integration of 1 by, okay, root of e power x minus 1. 2 is a constant out. You get t divided by t square plus 1. Okay, root and square cancels. You get t into dt is equal to pi upon 6. Okay, I'm going to cancel this t and t. So this becomes 2 is a constant. Integration of lower limit is 1. Upper limit is the root of e power x minus 1. E power x minus 1 and then dt divided by 1 plus t square. Dt upon 1 plus t square is equal to pi upon 6. Okay, now this 2 I'll keep as it is. Integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse of t. Between the limits 1 to e to the power of x minus 1 is equal to pi upon 6. Upper limit will be equal to tan inverse of root of e power x minus 1. Tan inverse of e power x minus 1. Okay, this is upper limit. Minus lower limit is tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi upon 6. Okay, so 2 times tan inverse of 1. Okay, let me open the bracket. Why to write one more step? If I open the bracket, 2 times this is tan inverse of root of e power x minus 1 minus 2 times tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 is equal to pi by 6. Okay, this will cancel 2 times. 2 into tan inverse of root of e power x minus 1 is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Right, now 2 into tan inverse of root of e power x minus 1, okay, is equal to, take LCM 6. So this is equal to 4 pi. 4 pi by 6 is 2 pi by 3. So 2, this is 2, this is 3. Cancel this 2 and 2 as well. Now you get this tan inverse of tan inverse of root of e power x minus 1. Root e power x minus 1 is equal to pi upon 3. Tan inverse you shift on the right side. You get e power x minus 1 is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root of e power x minus 1 is equal to root 3. If I square on both sides, e power x minus 1 equal to 3. I get e power x is equal to 4. Okay, I am supposed to find the value of x. Whenever e power x is equal to m, okay, now x is equal to log m to the base e. X is equal to log m to the base e. So e power x is equal to 4. X is equal to log 4 to the base e. That's the answer, guys. X is equal to log 4 to the base c. Answer will be option A. Alright, guys, let's move to the next question. Question number 45. Minus 8 to plus 8. See, we'll use this property, guys. Two step we get the answer. What you've done now, minus a to plus a. Minus a to plus a f of x dx will be equal to 2 times 0 to a. 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if fx is even. If fx is even, and then this is 0 if fx is odd. Right, now I'm going to take fx is equal to sin x to the power of 93 plus x to the power of 295. Okay, now f of minus x will be equal to sin of minus x. Okay, and then this is 93 plus this is minus x whole to the power of 295. Now f of minus x is equal to sin of minus theta is minus sin theta minus sin x to the power of 293. This 93 plus minus x to the power of 295. Okay, I'm going to take minus common, guys. You will get this as sin x to the power of 93 plus x to the power of 295. So this is same as minus f of x. F of minus x is minus f of x. F of minus x is minus f of x, so f of x is odd. Right, if it is odd, obviously then it is 0. If x is odd, answer is option C. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x, so if x is odd, answer will be 0. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 46. This is 0 to pi by 2. Sin 2t can be written as 2 sin t cos t. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin power 4 plus cos to the power of 4 and then dt. Okay, I'm going to divide numerator and denominator by cos power 4. So this becomes integration of 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, this is 2 sin t into cos t divided by cos to the power of 4. Okay, and then sin by cos is tan, so you get tan to the power of 4t and then plus 1. Okay, and now this becomes integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, this is 2 sin t, okay, into cos divided by cos cube t. Cos cube t upon 1 plus tan power 4t. Tan power 4t dt. Okay, so this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 2. This is 2 sin t divided by cos t and then 1 divided by cos square t. Is it not? Divided by 1 plus tan power 4t and then dt. Okay, now listen. Integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 and then this is equal to 2 tan t. 2 tan t 1 by cos is equal to sec, you get sec square t dt. Divided by 1 plus tan power 4 can be written as tan square t the whole square. I'm going to put tan square t equal to u, some other variable, guys. Okay, if I differentiate, you get this is 2 tan t and differentiation of tan t is sec square t dt is equal to du. Alright, now this becomes integration of numerators du upon 1 plus u square. Am I right? Yes, even the limit will change, guys. When t is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. When t is equal to pi by 2, u will be equal to infinity. So this is 0 to infinity. Okay, integration of 1 by 1 plus u square will be tan inverse of u between the limit 0 to infinity. Alright, upper limit will be equal to tan inverse of infinity minus lower limit is tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2. That's the answer, guys. Answer is pi by 2. Last option D. Alright, guys. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so listen. Before I go to that question, guys. Okay, let me tell you what is this Leibniz rule. Okay, that is differentiation of a definite integral. Suppose if you have like this d by dx of integration of x square and x cube e to the power of t dt. That is differentiation of a definite integral. That is, you should differentiate the upper limit. Okay, in place of t you put upper limit. I repeat myself, guys. You have to differentiate the upper limit. In place of t you put upper limit. Okay, minus differentiate the lower limit. In place of t you put lower limit. That is called the Leibniz rule, differentiation of a definite integral. Okay, there's an MCQ in NCRT, last multiple choice question in integrals chapter, integration. Alright, the differentiation of a definite integral. The question is y is equal to integral 0 to x. Y is equal to integral 0 to x and then sin t dt. Sin t dt, then dy by dx is equal to options are there. The NCRT multiple choice question. If I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to, differentiate the upper limit, that is 1. In place of t you put upper limit, it is sin x. Minus differentiation of lower limit, anyways it is 0. That's called Leibniz rule. So let us use the same thing here. If I differentiate with respect to x, differentiate the upper limit. In place of t you put upper limit. Minus lower limit is anyway 0. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiate upper limit, it is 0. Differentiate the lower limit, it is 1. In place of t you put lower limit, you get x into f of x. Isn't it, guys? Yeah, I'm going to shift this on the left side. You will get this as f of x plus x into f of x is equal to 1. I'm going to take f of x common, fx common. Left out is 1 plus x is equal to 1. From this I can write fx is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x. Fx is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x. Now f of 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 1. That's equal to 1 upon 2. Answer will be equal to B. Right, guys, let's do one more question before we wind up. Alright, now listen, same logic. I'm supposed to find out what is f of 4. Okay, now if I differentiate this, guys, fx is equal to integral 0 to x. Good question. And f of t dt. If I differentiate, f dash of x is equal to, capital F dash of x is equal to, differentiate the upper limit, that is 1. In place of t you put upper limit, it is f of x. Lower limit anyways, it is 0. So I have actually f of x is equal to, small f of x is equal to capital F dash of x. Okay, now so what am I supposed to find? I'm supposed to find out f of 4 here. F of 4 will be equal to capital F dash of 4. Okay, that's equal to, now if I differentiate this, guys, if I differentiate with respect to x, okay, differentiation of f of x square is f dash of x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay, is equal to, let me multiply this, then it's easy, x square plus x cube. Okay, now if I differentiate, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Okay, now f dash of x square is equal to 2x plus 3x square, okay, whole divided by 2x. Now f dash of x square, differentiation of x square is 2x, and then you get 2x plus 3x square. That's fine. F dash of x cube is f dash of x square is equal to, this will be equal to 1 plus 3x. 1 plus 3 by 2 into x. This is f dash of x square. But I am supposed to find f of 4, f dash of 4, right? So I put x is equal to 2. There's no space here. Fine. Guys, let me do it here. Okay, this is because that camera is blocking. This is f dash of x square. Fine. So this is f dash of x square. Okay, now note this step, guys. This is f dash of x square. Now if I take suppose x square common, f dash of x square is equal to, if I take divide by 2x upon 2x is 1 plus 3 upon 2x. Okay, this is f dash of x square. Now what am I supposed to find, guys? I'm supposed to find what is f dash of 4. So I put x is equal to 2. If I put x is equal to 2, I get f dash of 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2, okay, into 2. This will cancel, you get 4. So f dash of 4 will be equal to 4. Very good question. Answer is option D. So thanks for joining me, guys. Please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. Do watch, like and share my video, guys. Alright, let's meet up on 29th of this month with the PYQs of session 6. So I'm done with all CET questions. I'm doing Comet K questions. Okay, keep in touch, guys. Do follow me in the app as well, Unacademy platform app as well, to attend my classes, free special classes, that is free classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. And do take the subscription. Alright, more than 45 teachers are there, best educators of the country, who are going to train you, guys. There are more than 300 courses launched every month. Alright, so go ahead with and take the subscription, guys, and cheapest plans for cheapest plan. Alright, and then it's very cheap, guys, cheap and best plans for this KSET and Comet K preparation, guys. Alright, and use my referral code to get 10% off, guys. You get 10% off on this subscription. Alright, and these are the plans: 12 months, 6 months, and per month, double two. So throwaway price, you get all this, guys. Premium content at affordable price. Structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis. Batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, full and mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription, guys. And this is the Maestros batch, which started this month only, 15th of December. Alright, trained by the best educators in the country, guys. So let's meet up on 29th of this month at 11:30 am in the morning, guys. Thanks for joining me. God bless you, guys. Bye.